Now, you're gonna have to do something other than put that thing in front of your mouth now.
But no, that's Gordon's. That's Gordon's.
Let's see, hold Gordon up.
Cheese.
Yeah?
I want to hear a movie about it.
Okay, tell me. Tell me about Thomas.
It's Thomas and his friends.
Yeah, what did Thomas and his friends do?
They went and stomped and crashed in the mud.
Do they? What else do they do?
Pull freight and far away. Crash.
They pull freight far away?
Line, tail, stop.
What else does Thomas do?
No, what? No, this is not Thomas. Gordon.
Is that Gordon?
Hey, turn that movie off.
Turn around here and face me. Is that Gordon? What does Gordon do?
Gordon pulls his.
What about this? You like these guys?